I am going to solve this inequality, and then I'm going to graph the solution set, and then I'm going to write the solution set in interval notation. Okay, so one thing to note is that this is a compound inequality. It has more than one rule being applied. You see that this x minus 20 is greater than 3, and at the same time is less than 6. So I'm going to look at this as having 3 parts: the left part, the middle part, and the right part. And I want to get this x all by itself. So I need to get rid of a minus 20. And to get rid of a minus 20, I'm going to add 20. And if I add 20 to the middle part, I need to add 20 to the right part, and I also need to add 20 to the left part. All right, now on the left part, 3 plus 20 is 23, which is less than x, okay, because negative 20 plus 20 turns into a 0, which is less than 26. Okay, and here is the solution. Let me fix this. Less than. Here is the solution. It is x is greater than 23 and less than 26. Now to graph the solution, I'm going to make a number line. And the only points of interest on the number line are going to be 23 and 26. Remember, x is everything greater than 23, so shading this way. And at the same time, x is everything less than 26, so this way. Okay, so all my shaded stuff is in the middle. And then on the 23, am I going to use a parenthesis or a bracket? Well, this does not have a line. The less than does not have a line, so I'm not going to use a line. I'm going to use a parenthesis. Over here by the 26, same thing. Less than does not have a line, so I'm not going to use a line for a bracket. I'm going to use a parenthesis. Okay, so this is my answer in the graph formation. And then I'm going to write the solution set in interval notation. So if your graph is set up nicely, your interval notation is going to be right below it. So my graph starts at 23, and it is shaded all the way to 26. It stops at 26. The 23 has a parenthesis, and the 26 has a parenthesis. Okay, so notice I only have one interval that's shaded here, and I only have one interval for my answer. And that's it. That's all 3 parts to this question.